Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Bold CNC Works. My name is Nugent. Today we are going to be focusing on the Mother's Day gift, seeing that it's Mother's Day today. This video is recorded a couple of weeks before Mother's Day, but I had to send this out to my mother, so let's quickly start. I saw something on Facebook that really intrigued me, and I decided, no, why can't I do this? So I bought a couple of boards and I made the following. I think there should be a picture in here at this moment. So let me quickly show you how I designed it. So first of all, that bamboo board is 280 by 180 millimeters. So let's get our parameters. 280 by 180. Let's just put this on the black layer for now. Okay. Now, as you saw, it has written across it Mum, and then me and my brother and my sister's names across it, and then right here at the bottom, since when she is a mum. So let's go over. The one for Mum is, it doesn't sound right, but it's the one that I like most and it stands out. It's Baskerville Old Face. Yeah, I know it doesn't sound good, but that's the one I like. Let's just change this to Baskerville. Let's just search. Then let's quickly type out me and my brother, my sister's name. Nugent, Graham, and Stacy. And then the other one will be since 1986. So let's quickly change these things. This one, we need freestyle. And this one, we need Franklin Gothic. Gothic heavy. Okay. Now we have everything that we need to create this beautiful plaque for our mom. So I'm just going to be selecting all of these and putting them onto the blue layer. Now, first of all, Mum, as you saw, it is most of the board, but we have to deform it a bit. We will select it and make sure it's in the middle of the board, not vertically but horizontally. Vertically, yes, actually vertically, not horizontally. Okay, now we take the names of the kids, blow them up, and then we select the offset. We're going to do an outward offset and click OK. Now, as you can see, if we zoom in, it's laid out nicely. Now what we're going to do is a Boolean operation, because if you remember, the letters are kind of cut out. So what I'm going to do is select the outline or the new offset and then select the word Mom. Go over to Tools, Boolean Assistant, and then subtract B from A. You will see, once I click OK, you will see this is how it ended up. You see? So now we are going to take this, put it in the middle, vertically, and that's basically it. Now we're just going to go over and check our settings. Now for this, we are going with 2100 or 2100 millimeters per minute and 80% power. We're going to turn on constant power because it just does it better on that. Then we click OK. I don't really care about this. This is just to mark the outline where I need to align the board. Now, yes, you can do this. You can put in mama, you can put in mommy, anything you want. The process will be precisely the same. Later on today, I'll be releasing a shorts video with all of the different custom boards that I created throughout this period, just for moms, just with using this technique. So I'd just like to wish my mom a quick happy Mother's Day, but I'll do it in my home language, Afrikaans. Mami, baie geluk met Moedersdag. Dankie vir wie jy is en wat jy is. Ek weet ons struggle bietjie, maar dinge sal beter raak. Ek Graham en Stacey is baie lief vir jou. Ek weet ons praat nie elke dag nie, maar wees net daar so. Dis al wat ons vra, soos wat jy reeds is. Alle sterkte, lief vir jou. Thank you very much, everybody. So let's go over to the laser and start this burn. And yeah, hopefully there's still enough time in the day for you to quickly do this. And we can also do it for Father's Day. No, there's a lot of fathers that like these personal things. So for today, thank you very much for watching. I still see there's only 96% of people are subscribed. If we can get that up even to 50%, it would be much appreciated. Yes, so enjoy the rest of the day and happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers out there. And we will see you next time. Bye-bye.